A new wave of devastating explosions targeting Hezbollah, this time aimed at walkie-talkies and other handheld electronic devices, has resulted in at least 20 fatalities and over 450 injuries across Lebanon. International observers have warned that simultaneous detonation of thousands of booby-trapped communication devices could amount to a war crime. Lebanon's health minister Firas Abiad reported that Wednesday's explosions involved larger and more powerful devices, causing extensive damage. He noted, and I quote, "We have seen a significant number of injuries, though many are mild. However, those with serious injuries are in critical condition, raising concerns about a potential increase in fatalities," he told Al Jazeera. Abiad detailed that the injuries from the blasts include internal bleeding, abdominal injuries, and brain hemorrhages. The detonations targeting walkie-talkies followed an attack the previous day, which injured over 2,800 and claimed 19 lives due to exploding pagers, an incident attributed to Israel. World leaders and diplomats have expressed fears that these events could trigger an all-out conflict with Hezbollah, despite ongoing efforts by the United States and United Nations to prevent escalation. A Hezbollah source confirmed that the group's walkie-talkies were targeted in Wednesday's attack. A senior security official described the individual explosions as small in size, similar to those from Tuesday's incident. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres condemned the attacks, urging restraint from both Hezbollah and Israel. The UN Security Council is scheduled to meet on Friday to address the unprecedented events, which appear to indicate a significant breach of supply chains by Israeli intelligence. Guterres suggested that the operation might have been designed as a precursor to a major Israeli offensive in Lebanon. He said, and I quote, "Clearly, the logic behind detonating all these devices is to serve as a preemptive strike ahead of a major military operation." In a related development, Israeli Defense Minister Yoav Gallant announced that Israel is shifting its military focus towards Hezbollah front during a visit to an airbase on Wednesday.